Inworld closes $50 million Series A for its realistic NPC generator. In August 2022, Inworld AI closed the $50 million series of funding round, which originated with the purpose of increasing the population of interactive AI-driven characters within video games and the metaverse. What does this occurrence mean in the world of artificial intelligence? What is the importance of realistic NPC generators? Let's figure that out in this latest video from our channel, which is dedicated to everything AI related. First of all, let's clarify some of the key points of this instance. What are NPCs? Non-Playable Characters, or NPCs in short, are virtual characters in video games and other virtual worlds that are controlled by the computer. They are used for populating the particular virtual world in the metaverse with players with quests, companionship, and more information. In the earlier days of introducing NPCs into the world of video games, they were simply sprites with limited interactions and other capabilities. They performed pre-scripted responses and behaviors. However, lately, NPCs have become more realistic as well as complex. Creating NPCs is a task of its own, and creating realistic NPCs is even more challenging. Nowadays, NPCs need to be able to interact with players in a way that is both engaging and convincing. They also need to be able to respond to a wide range of questions and other prompts. Additionally, NPCs have to be capable of generating their own speech and animations. That's where Inworld AI come into play. Inworld AI was a startup founded as the result of hard work from a few of the conversational AI pioneers such as Ilya Gelfenbein, who is the CEO of Inworld, Kylon Gibbs, and Michael Ermolenko. Essentially, Inworld AI is a developer platform for developing AI-driven virtual characters for video games, the metaverse, virtual and augmented reality applications, as well as other immersive experiences. One of the major focuses of Inworld AI is creating realistic NPCs. The startup consists of experts in various fields such as generative language models, 3D animations, multimodal interaction, speech synthesis, and even studies related to emotions. Another significant feature of Inworld AI is its no-code studio. This involves writers and designers in the process of creating those AI characters. The 2022 Disney Accelerator selected Inworld AI as one of the 6 companies that joined the program, which focused on building the prospect of immersive experiences. The program dedicates itself to more popular technologies nowadays such as artificial intelligence, augmented reality, and NFTs, non-fungible tokens. What happens in Inworld is that they create generative characters with thoughts, behaviors, memories, and overall personalities that are similar to human interaction, which naturally tends to be more social than typical characters in virtual worlds weren't capable of. Deploying the characters into game environments is made uncomplicated through integrations with Unreal and Unity, which are 2 of the most popular game engines in the world nowadays. As Inworld CEO Ilya Gelfenbein says, Inworld AI is capable of facilitating the creation of native populations for virtual worlds, in-world guides, virtual influencers and brand representatives for business purposes, and digital humans with skills to establish profound engagements with the users. Apart from gaming NPCs, Inworld AI's applications aren't limited to gaming and metaverse. It also spread across various industries like entertainment, sales and marketing, as well as training and education. Inworld is using various AI techniques to create lifelike NPCs by developing a platform that enables creators to design interactive characters with more realistic interactions and deploy them into video games and other virtual environments. Among the variety of AI techniques the platform uses includes natural language processing, machine learning, and deep learning, which aid in creating NPCs that can interact with players in a more ordinary and engrossing way. There are several benefits to using AI to create realistic NPCs. The first one is that AI can help to create NPCs that are more believable and engaging, as mentioned before. AI can also assist in making those NPCs more responsive to a wider range of prompts and questions, as well as generating their own speech and animations. Since it was founded in July 2021 to 2022, Inworld has produced approximately $70 million in total. This includes the amount they raised in pre-seed and seed rounds, which amount to nearly $20 million. The major funding for the startup was raised with its series of funding round, which was mainly led by Section 32 and Intel Capital. That raised $15 million. Apart from those two major involvements in the funding round, it also included investments from over a dozen other organizations such as Founders Fund, Accelerator Investments LLC, First Spark Ventures, Microsoft's M12 Fund, Micron Ventures and LG Technology Ventures. They closed the $50 million series of funding round in August 2022. Their seed round closed in March 2022. Since then, Inworld AI also released its beta product, and Academy Award winner John Gata joined the team as Chief Creative Officer. The funding round established the confidence in the goals of the startup to change the course of the landscape of virtual worlds and strengthened its potential. The investments from the funding round are dedicated to accelerating Inworld's further research on the creation of realistic NPCs and other development ventures, as well as broadening the capabilities of its NPC generator. The positive impacts of AI-powered NPCs would be immediately established within the video game industry. Inworld's NPC generator could aid in creating more challenging and engaging opponents as well as companions. Wouldn't it be interesting if your opponent is also capable of learning from their mistakes and adapting their tactics accordingly? In other areas, the development of these AI-powered NPCs would take the functions of virtual assistants to another level with more engaging and realistic training experiences and enhanced virtual assistant capabilities. Another field that could benefit from these NPCs is education. Students will be able to participate in more engaging environments where they can experience practicing medical procedures, exploring historical events, and learning other complex concepts in more realistic methods. In conclusion, the $50 million series of funding round of Inworld AI was successful and highly beneficial for the further development of its realistic NPC generator. It was a significant achievement in the world of virtual environments as well as technology altogether. Hope you enjoyed today's video as usual. Don't forget to like and comment your enthusiasm on any topic related to AI. While at that, make sure to subscribe. Thank you, until next time.